In the previous clip, we learned a new way to implement location-based augmented reality without using GPS. We learned how to position objects in augmented reality accurately and offline. In this clip, we intended to use a new and handy feature for augmented reality to increase the productivity of AR applications and provide practical freedom for the user. Currently, in AR applications, the user can only use the 2D user interface of the application to interact with it and send commands. Working with these user interfaces is at the same time limiting because the user interacts with 3D space in AR, but these tools cover only 2 dimensions. This is why executing some commands is difficult and time-consuming for the user. There are several solutions to this problem. The first solution is to simplify the user interface. The second way is voice commands. It has its limitations, for example, referring to the need for the application to be online. The third solution is to use a joystick for the user. The limitation of the number of the keys can affect the process of rapid user interaction. Of course, the lack of a joystick for everyone is the second problem of this solution. The fourth solution is to use the new technology of hand commands. In this clip, we will talk about implementing the fourth solution, which is the commands by hand. First of all, we need to know that our application must use the device camera for AR just as it must use the camera for hand commands, because recognizing the user's hand is done by image processing technology. The user's hand is detected from the device camera view and defined as a coordinate reference for the application with using a unique mechanism and algorithm. The next step is to recognize the fingers for better handling. You can now define a command in the application for each finger movement. For example, at this moment, with closing the hand, our gun fires and the gun will not fire by opening the hand. In this section, we are going to introduce some powerful plugins for executing commands by hand in augmented reality. The most basic is the virtual buttons section in the Vuforia plugin, which uses the hand recognition technology. This technology is very beginner and cannot recognize fingers. The following plugin is OpenCV in Unity, a library of image processing functions that can be used to implement the hand recognition process in Unity and augmented reality. The complete plugin is the MenuMotion. With this plugin, you can perform the process of hand recognition with the best quality and use your fingers as an interactive operator in your augmented reality application. Of course, this plugin also has its complexity to implement. As a result of all these issues, we can point to the importance of freedom of action for the user, and at the same time the simplicity of the internal commands of the application. These commands, while simple, should be comprehensive and complete and help make the application more user-friendly.